You've already heard a million times about the benefits of meditation, how it can help you clear your mind, focus on your goals, and transcend the human race, right? But let's face it, you've probably tried it already, and it just wasn't your thing. At the same time, you recognize that in today's society, our senses and brain are overloaded with so much information, and the benefits that meditation claims to provide would actually be useful for you. So where's that put you? Well, if you're new here to this channel, we like to break down the lies and talk about realistic advice that is actually going to help you to change and improve your life. So make sure to subscribe if you like content like this. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 useful alternatives that you can try to receive the benefits of mindful meditation, but that will actually work for you, your lifestyle, and your schedule. The benefits that we're chasing comes from mindfulness, which is simply the practice of being present, aware of what you're thinking, feeling, and seeing around you at any moment. Our brain is a complex computer that for the most part allows us to ignore these things. It handles them for us in the background so that we can be more efficient and focus on things like work and school. But that kind of puts us in this autopilot mode where we know everything going on around us, but nothing about what's going on inside of us. The simplest way to practice mindfulness is simply to ask your brain, what are you thinking? What are you feeling? What are you seeing? What are you doing? That's it. And this only takes a couple minutes or so to do. Just this short practice will allow you to reconnect with yourself and your intentions for the day or the activity that you're doing and provide you with a bit of relief from the hustle and bustle of the day. Like most people, you're probably going to find it hard to remember to just do this check-in, but you can set a timer or reminder on your phone or smartwatch for every hour or couple hours just to do it. It's a tiny investment of your time, but the reward will be massive. Walking is a bit of a bigger investment because you need a place to walk, transportation to get to and from that place, and the weather conditions to be able to walk. But if you can, especially walking in nature, this is one of the best practices that you can do, not only for mindfulness, but for your health as well. We all know that walking can burn off fat and strengthen our hearts, but it's also a great mental exercise for the brain. When you're walking around at a park or a forest reserve, it's very easy to tap into the present. You hear children laughing, dogs chasing each other around. You can smell the flowers and the trees. It is a complete escape into almost a different world. You still have to make an effort to focus on yourself as well while walking. Focus on your breathing, not so much controlling it, but observing it. With every step you take, really feel into it and how your body feels. Walking is a really powerful way to reinvigorate yourself and relax your body and your mind. Next is journaling. To me, it seems like journaling is like meditation, in the sense that a lot of people say that it's this amazing, useful practice, but a lot of people also think that it's corny and it doesn't work. Unlike meditation though, where most people actually have tried it, I think that most people haven't tried to journal, and they should. As I said before, your brain is working around the clock 24/7, doing a bunch of hard work for you so that you don't have to. Journaling allows your brain and your subconscious to express itself. You don't have to follow any type of structure or answer specific questions. Just write whatever your brain feels like writing. It can be short, it can be long, it can even just be a drawing. Surprisingly, just having the freedom and space to express yourself can be super freeing, even if you have nothing to express in that moment. You can keep your journal on your phone in a notes app or something, but for me, paper works best. Give it a shot. I think you'll find journaling to be a great practice to unload a bunch of bulk from your mind and free yourself to be in the present. Lastly, meditation. I know we already talked about this. You don't like meditation, it's too boring, it takes too much time, you forget to do it, whatever. You just don't like it. But I'm here asking you to give meditation another chance. The reason why people purport meditation so much and is touted as the best way to practice mindfulness is because it is for a lot of people, including myself. Though at first, I too was doubtful. One day, I randomly decided to try out a 15-minute meditation, and within a couple minutes, I turned it off and went back to my day. I thought it was stupid and wouldn't have any benefits for me. But I didn't stop. The next day, I went back again, and I had a similar experience, but I kept going back again and again, day after day. After a couple months, I noticed my head was just overall way clearer, and it was way easier for me to be in the present in conversations and manage the stress and emotions in my life. So I want you all to give meditation another shot, especially if you've already tried everything else on this list and nothing is working for you. Come back to meditation and be consistent with it. I promise you'll see benefits. And that's all I have for you guys today. I highly encourage you to block off some time each day to practice mindfulness, because I guarantee you that 30 minutes or an hour will make the rest of your day so much better. Make sure to subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.